Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Google Classroom. First, you have to open your Google Chrome browser and in the search section, type Google Classroom and select the enter button. And from the top results, you have to click on this option which says Google Classroom Management Tools and Resources. And we just landed to the Google Classroom official homepage, and on the top right corner there's a sign in option right here. Select this option, and on the bottom you have to select the Google Classroom and enter it. And on the screen we could see that there's create class or join class, or we could also find in the plus sign in the top right corner right here. Click on this, and here's also says a join class or create class, so we can choose any option whichever you prefer. So click on the create class. Here is a basic notice from the Google Classroom, so you have to click on this small button over here and click on the continue. So we are required with our class name, like which section of your class is and your subject and room. And you can simply click on the create on which is on the below right here, and it will take a few minutes. So you have to click on the got it right here. So you could see guys, we just created a Google Classroom right here, we could see. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.